Our company presents a next-generation industrial line for the production of PVC sandwich panels, a high-tech solution engineered for stable serial manufacturing with consistent, guaranteed product quality. The panels are manufactured using PVC sheets combined with extruded polystyrene as a thermal insulation core, ensuring high structural rigidity, geometric stability, and excellent performance characteristics. The solution is ideally suited for the production of doors and partition systems based on PVC and aluminum profiles. The line configuration includes from 4 to 8 pneumatic presses, fully integrated into a single automated production cycle. Panel handling is carried out by automatic transport trolleys, ensuring a continuous material flow between the adhesive application, pressing, and unloading zones. This line architecture guarantees high process repeatability and eliminates production bottlenecks. The technology is based on the use of a one-component polyurethane adhesive, providing a strong structural bond under controlled curing conditions. The precisely managed bonding process ensures consistent results with tight tolerances. The production capacity reaches up to 60 panels per hour, depending on panel configuration. After assembly, panels are stacked, transferred to the press, and then moved to the trimming area, where precise stack formatting ensures uniform dimensions across all panels. Contact us, and we will help you to create a technological process.